Hey guys, welcome to another video of Microsoft Office tutorials. Friends, in today's video we are going to discuss some amazing tricks of Microsoft Excel. The first trick that we are going to discuss is that how we can set hierarchy in Excel, or in other words, how we can present data in such a way that anybody can easily understand that which items or which data belongs to main category and which items or which data belongs to subcategory. For example, here we have fixed asset register of a company. In this fixed asset register, we have here different types of assets. The first asset is building, that is main category. Then under building, we have here different types of buildings, that is subcategory. Here we have furniture, main category. Under furniture, we have different types of furniture, that is subcategory. Similarly, office equipment, plant and machinery, vehicles, etc. Now this arrangement of data is not so much prominent. Here it is not so much prominent that which items or which data is main category and which items belongs to subcategory, right? Now let's select some items that is subcategory. Then we will go to home tab. In home tab we will go to increase indent, this option. We can click 2 times maybe, and now you can see this is more prominent that these items are subcategory and this is main category. Now we can select subcategories of all these assets. We can again go to home tab. In home tab go to increase indent, and now you can see this presentation of data seems to be more professional, right? The next trick is how we can join and how we can separate text in Microsoft Excel. Here we have first and last name of different persons. Let's say we want to get full name. How we can join first and last name to get full name? There are different methods for this. The first and simple method is that we can go to first cell, then we can manually write this full name. First name space last name, enter. Then in second cell we can simply use Ctrl+E, that is shortcut key for flash fill, and it will automatically fill all cells. This was first method for this. Second method to join text is that we can use and sign. For example, we will use equal sign. We will select first cell, that is first name, then and sign, quotation mark space, quotation mark and sign, then we will select last name, and here we go. We can simply drag this, and by this method also we can join text. Third method to join text is that we can simply use concatenate function. In concatenate function we need to select first text, then comma, quotation mark space, quotation mark comma, then we can use second text, close parenthesis, enter, and here we go. We can simply drag it down, and by these 3 methods we can join text. Now how we can separate text in Microsoft Excel? To separate text, again we can simply use flash fill. We will write here, let's say we need here first name, we will simply write here first name, enter, and in next cell we can simply use Ctrl+E and it will give us first name in all cells. Similarly for last name we can simply use here, write here last name, then in next cell we can simply use Ctrl+E and it will fill all cells with the last name. Second method to separate text in Microsoft Excel is that we need to select the cells from which we want to separate text. Then we need to go to data tab. In data tab we need to go to text to columns. Then from this window we can select delimited, then we can go to next, and then based on these different things we can separate text. Let's say as we have here in our text we have here space, so we will just uncheck this tab, we will just check this space, and you can see here it will separate text based on space. Then we can go to next, and here in this cell we can simply use the destination cell and we can go to finish, and here we go, our text has been separated. Next trick is how we can assign rank to our data in Microsoft Excel. Let's say here we have different students who have got these different marks in exam. Now let's say we want to assign rank to these students based on their marks. How we can do this? For this we can use rank function. In rank function we need to select the cell in which we have value or marks. Then we need to insert comma. After this we need to select the whole column in which we have values, close parenthesis, enter, and then it will assign rank to this student. We just need to drag it down, and here we go. Now what we can do, we can just insert here filter, and then we can just sort rank from smallest to largest, and now you can see these students have first rank, then this third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Next trick is how we can change numbers into Roman values. For this we can use Roman function, and then we need to select the value to which we want to convert into Roman, enter, and here we go. We will just drag it down, and here we go. You can see all numbers have been converted into Roman values. Next thing, or next trick that we need to discuss is that why advanced or interactive transpose is much better than simple transpose. Let's say this is our data that we want to transpose. I will just select this data, I will copy, and let's say here we want to transpose. I will right click here and I will just do it simple transpose. I will go to paste option, simple transpose, and here we go. Now this is our data that we get after simple transpose. Now disadvantage of simple transpose is that if we change here anything in our original data, it will not affect data that we get after simple transpose. Now I will just delete it. Now for advanced transpose, what we need to do, first of all we need to count total number of rows and columns in our original data. Here we have total number of columns, that is 5. That will be after transpose, these will be rows, right? And total number of rows are 13, and these rows after transpose will be columns, right? Now here we have 5 columns and 13 rows. For advanced transpose, what we need to do, we need to select 5 rows as these columns will be rows after transpose, and then 13 rows we will select 13 columns. Now what we need to do, we need to insert here equal sign, transpose function, then we need to select the whole data that we want to transpose, close parenthesis, then we need to press shortcut key Control Shift and enter, and here we go. This is our data that we get after transpose, and now this data is after advanced or interactive transpose. Now what is benefit of this advanced or interactive transpose? If we change here anything, it will change in data that we get after advanced or interactive transpose. If we change here anything, it will affect our data that we get after advanced or interactive transpose. The next trick is how we can delete first name only from the full name. Here we have full name of different persons, and let's say we want to delete only the first name. How we can do this? We need to select all these cells in which we have full names. We need to use Ctrl+H shortcut key, and then what we will do, as we want to delete only the first name, we will use asterisk space. Asterisk will be considered as first name, and then space as we have space between first and last name. Then we want to replace, we don't want to replace with anything, we will go for replace all, and here we go. You can see all first names have been deleted. Now let's say we want to just delete the last name. We don't want to delete first name, we want to keep first name and we want to delete last name. What we will do, again we will use shortcut key Ctrl+H, and now this time as last name is after space, so what we will do, we will insert here one space, asterisk. Asterisk will be considered any word after space. Now replace with, we don't want to replace, we want simply delete. We will go for replace all, and here we go. You can see we have only first names and we have been deleted last names from all these names. Friends, that's all for today. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Microsoft Office Tutorials. Also don't forget to press bell icon button. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.